there, we're at it again with making tens, but today we're trying to make a 10 as a subtraction strategy as opposed to making a 10 for addition. So I wanted to share with you this strategy because your child will have some homework tonight that they might need a little bit of help with, and this is pretty confusing. So just remember that it's just an additional strategy that they might use for subtraction, and I wanted to show you how we learned it today so that you can help with homework. So this was the making 10 strategy, and here's basically what we talked about and what I tried to teach them. When you have a problem like 14 minus 6 equals something, you have to think about that 6, that single digit number, and what fact families you can use to break it apart into and subtract from this 2-digit number to get to a 10. I know, it's a lot. So basically, here's what we did. We thought of all the ways that you can make 6. What were all the different fact families? So 4 plus 2, and the kids told me these. You can also use 1 plus 5. That makes 6. You can use 3 and 3. That makes 6. So we thought of all of these fact families to make 6 first. Then we had to ask ourselves, which one are we going to use? Which one is going to help us get this number to a 10 through subtraction? So we kind of just tried them out together. We said 4 plus 2. It did work because if I take 14 minus 4, that'll give me a 10 that I can easily subtract this next number in my head. We said 1 and 5 would not work because 14 minus 1 or 14 minus 5, that would not get me to a 10. And then the same thing with 3 and 3. So we said that we were going to use this one. That's where this came from. So now we just moved our numbers down to make a new equation. Now we have 14, and we're moving these numbers down, minus 4, minus 2. Okay, and then we knew 14 minus 4, that was our 10. So we did that correctly, and then we just still had to take away 2 from that to get to the answer, which was 8. So your kiddos might have a little bit of trouble trying to think of how to break those numbers down. This was the homework page, page 201. And what I've asked them to do, like on number 8, you can kind of see it there, 14 minus 8. Basically, what I tried to tell them was to look at this number, think of what number can I take away from my 2 digits first. So I can take away that 1's place, which was 4. So I'm just going to automatically think, well, 4 and 4 is 8. And then that'll help me get to my 10. So take a peek at their pages. We did the first couple. We tried to do them together. I walked around and kind of looked over their shoulders to see who needed some help and tried to support like that. But I hope this video helps a little bit. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.